So welcome everyone. This is a real-time simulation of our project. So what main we have used is Raspberry Pi, the main device of our project. So this camera scans your face recognition, and similar another camera detects the lane. So both the devices send the data to Raspberry Pi. So the data is processed and warns us that your eyes are closed, and the lane watch system records all the data. So web server is also connected on Raspberry Pi, so it transforms the data in statistics and uploads to server. And this is our OBD. This is our OBD device. This is connected to our car. So the OBD device sends the information to our Raspberry Pi, and it is displayed to us. So our car status, RPM monitoring, high speed and engine temperature, what are the fault codes. So the driver can be sure that his car is okay or not. So he can travel for long journey, and this is very useful, and all the data is shared and all the statistics are uploaded again to web server. So it is safe and secure. So this is our working. So this is Raspberry Pi. We have powered Raspberry Pi through this cable. This is used for display, and this camera is connected. So the camera can capture the images and send to Raspberry Pi. This pin is used for display, but we don't have any display right now. So we turn on screen mirroring in Raspberry Pi, and it is connected to our phone. So this is the app to handle, and it is installed in Raspberry Pi. It depends on Android OS, and Android OS is installed in Raspberry Pi. So this is screen mirroring and working of our application. Okay. So we have used the screen mirroring from Raspberry Pi, and this is our working of our application. So we have four modules: vehicle info, driver status, camera surveillance, and web server. Driver status is for heartbeat, and right now we don't have any sensors and health band, so we can't show this. And this is vehicle info, driver status, surveillance for our eyes, drowsiness detection, and it is lane watch system and web server, so we can upload our statistics in web. So thank you. So welcome. This is our app functionality, how our app works. So when we start our app, this loading screen comes on, and the first module we have created that vehicle information. The OBD device is connected to our car. So when we start the engine, it automatically gets connected and show us the vehicle information. So engine RPM is null. So when we rev, it changes, and this all data. So this OBD device is connected via Bluetooth to our app, and all the data gets synced. So the deformation is shown here, and all the statistics are created, and it uploads to the web server. So you can see how engine RPM changes while I am revving the motor. So this is our first module. All the display information is here. Each and everything of our car each information is shown. So this can be helpful for us to check our car status. So this is our eye detection system. So when we click on it, it checks the sensitivity. If it's daytime, it can be medium, and if it's on in night, so we can keep it on high sensitivity. So when we start, So it recognizes our face, and when we close our eyes it roars, so we can avoid the disaster situations near us. So once again I will show. So when we start our the face detection, so it detects our face and checks with the face overlay graph, and checks if our eyes are closed or not. So this is our third module. It acts like an lane watch system and dash cam also, so you feel safe and always be recorded that what you see.